Maintaining the quality and appearance of your leather belt is essential for its longevity. Here are 4 signs indicating it's time to consult a professional leather care specialist. If your belt exhibits noticeable cracks or cuts, it's a clear indication that professional repair is needed to prevent further deterioration. Edges that are frayed or worn suggest that the belt has undergone significant wear and may require expert attention to restore its original condition. Stubborn stains that resist home cleaning efforts should be addressed by professionals who have the appropriate tools and knowledge to remove them without damaging the leather. A lingering bad smell, even after cleaning, indicates that the belt may need specialized treatment to eliminate embedded odors effectively. Regularly inspecting your leather belt for these signs and seeking professional care when necessary can significantly extend its lifespan and maintain its appearance.
DeLeatherCraft is India's premier luxury leather restoration brand, specializing in the cleaning, color correction, repair, and restoration of high-end leather goods. From designer handbags and shoes to jackets and accessories, we provide expert craftsmanship to revive and preserve your cherished items.